Solved problems. Cost of materials consumed, prime cost, factory overhead, production cost of finished goods. The problem. The problem given is the following details from company's books. 1st February 2019, stock of raw materials 9500, work in progress 2500. 31st January 2020, purchase of raw materials 15,200, wages direct 4,800, wages indirect 1,100, carriage inward and raw material 415, fuel and power 623, direct expenses 215, engine oil used 150, factory rent 750, depreciation of plant and machinery 480, insurance transport 382, factory insurance 182, general factory expenses 412, stock of raw materials 4850, work in progress 1850. Required cost of raw materials consumed, the prime cost, the factory overhead, the production cost of finished goods. Raw materials consumed, particulars amount. Stock of raw materials in the beginning 9500, purchase of raw materials 15,200, carriage inward and raw material 415, total 25,115, less closing stock of raw material 4,850, cost of raw material consumed 20,265. Prime cost, particulars amount. Cost of raw material consumed as worked out above. Wages direct 4,800, direct expenses 215, total prime cost 25,280. Factory overhead, particulars amount. Wages indirect 1,100, fuel and power 623, engine oil used 150, factory rent 750, depreciation of plant and machinery 480, insurance transport 382, factory insurance 182, general factory expense 412, total factory overhead 4079. Production cost of finished goods, particulars amount. Opening work in progress 2500, prime cost 20,265, factory overhead 4079, total 31,859, less closing work in progress 1,850, total production cost of finished goods is 30,009.